one of the reasons you may be scared to actually get started with Amazon FBA and start selling product is because you are scared to buy products and have to sit on them forever, never actually selling them and like getting in debt and like having to sit on products in your house forever. Right? So in this video, I'm going to show you why this is wrong and why you're looking at the product, this exact problem the wrong way. Because on Amazon, it's really easy with the tools that we have available, right? If we actually go right here and we look at this product, right? And we scroll down, we can know exactly, I mean, more or less get an estimation of how fast this product is selling. Okay, so the question, like this data point in itself is going to solve 90% of those issues, right? Of that false belief that you have. Now, the real thing is that it's not because something is selling, right? And it's not because something is selling 2,000 times a month that it is still going to sell 2,000 times a month next month at the same price, right? That's where the big thing is. And so, like, the good news is that, you know, like your false belief, like being scared of starting because of that, because you were scared to have to sit on products because you did not really know how fast the product was selling, all that stuff, right? I mean, like the good news is that it's not a problem. The bad news is that you have way more problem than you actually thought, and like this is when experience actually comes into play and product analysis comes into play, right? So the good news is that if you know how to do things right, you will never be stuck with product, or like you will really rarely be stuck with products not actually selling. Now, the good thing is that you don't have to be stuck with these products yourself. You can have those products sitting at Amazon and then pay a penny a month for them to actually like stock them, right? Now, the truth is that yes, you can just liquidate them, sell them at a loss, and then if 95% of the product that you actually sell, you sell them at a profit and you have to liquidate some product at a loss, you will be fine, right? But like, that's when experience actually comes into play. Talking about experience, if you actually want to, you know, cut that painful learning curve of having to actually learn all these things and make mistakes that are going to cost you thousands of dollars, if not tens of thousands of dollars, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? You can shortcut like that learning curve and actually join my mentorship program. There's a link in the description just for that, right? Now, if you want to learn, if you want to make all the mistakes yourself and pay $10,000, $20,000 to the market instead of like paying somebody to actually like teach you the ropes, right? I mean, at the end of the day, that's your issue, right? But that's when experience comes actually and becomes helpful, right? Because, and the truth is, right, that you're going to make some mistakes, right? Because there's a lot of things that comes into play, right? One of the case scenarios is that you could actually buy a product, right? And it's selling 2,000 times a month right now at $30, right? But you bought the product on sale and you didn't know, and like the price actually was, you know, too high. The price was not sustainable, and so the price actually like tanked. The price went down, and you're going to sell at break even or at a loss, you know? And I actually had somebody in one of the live class. I do these live class from time to time, right? Where I teach beginners how to actually sell on Amazon for 90 minutes, right? And I had this guy that was selling for like 10 months, right? And actually, like one of the things that he told me, one of the comments that he left at the end, and actually like spent 15 minutes actually trying to break this down to him, right? But one of the things that he said at the end is that, look, Chris, I started selling like 10 months ago. I did not really make money because like I buy a product, right? I buy a product, it sells good, like it sells fast, but like by the time I actually got the product and I start selling the product, the price on Amazon goes down, and so either I lose a little bit of money or like I break even, and so like I'm at that point where I'm getting in debt and all that stuff, and that's why I'm saying like at the end of the day, like, you know, like, and the funny thing is that, you know, I actually digged a little bit into it, right? And I saw when he registered for the live class for the first time, right? And if you don't know, by the way, at the end of my live class, so the live class are free, right? It's 100% free, 90 minutes, free, pure knowledge that I actually give to people for free, right? At the end of the 90 minutes, you can actually like apply to join my mentorship program, right? Just like you guys can actually apply for the mentorship program by, clicking the link below. And so that guy actually registered for the live class, right, a couple of months before. Okay, like it was like a couple of months before he actually started selling himself, right? It was maybe 1 or 2 months before, based on our data. And so the funny thing is that this guy actually researched, right? He researched a lot about the business, started doing it by himself, did the mistake, and actually paid the market a lot of money, because he's actually I don't know if he's in debt a lot, like by how much is in debt. I don't know. We did not dive into the specifics because it was just a class where I was teaching and answering questions, right? But if you look at the people, right, I'll leave the link in the description. So you can go to my website, mangunza.com/testimonials, right? Here we go, and let me share my screen, boom. And so we have a lot of testimonials of people that actually joined, right? Around that time. So Christian is one of those guys that joined around that time. Janelle, Fernando, same thing. We have a lot of my past students right there, right? All these people joined either around that time when we started. These were people that joined at the beginning, right? We had people that were more older, right? Like these guys right there. Floyd joined a little bit earlier, right? Like same thing. He went from zero to $15,000 a month in 3 months profitably. You can either do this, there's 2 ways to actually learn, right? You can make the mistakes and lose money like this guy did, or you can literally join a mentorship program. You don't have to join mine, but I'll tell you this, right? So we've had, especially at the beginning, right? And a couple of the people that I actually showed you actually bought courses, right? Actually bought, most of them, if I look actually right here, on this page, most of these people, right? So right now I saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these people that we've seen so far have bought one of the most known course on Amazon FBA on the platform, right? And they actually were not able to actually make it work with this course, which is why at the beginning of the Scaling Society, my mentorship program, we used to get a lot of people, right, that were coming from this course, and we had to rebuild their business, right? And that's I'm going to tell you, at the beginning, that was our bread and butter, right? Taking people from other courses and actually rebuilding their business with them, right? Now, as I was saying, you can learn the hard way, right? Or you can join the winning team and actually shortcut your learning curve and actually go straight into profit instead of, you're going to pay us money, right? Of course, it's not free, right? But would you rather pay a small fee and learn fast and avoid the mistakes? Or actually making the mistakes and wasting tens of thousands of dollars making mistakes? I'll let you choose. So that's it for today. I release videos every single day, so I'll see you in the next one. And yeah, see you in the next one, guys.